Hello everyone. In this episode of the ReviewsVidz, we are looking at the top 5 best smart table lamp in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information with the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for the latest reviews. Okay, so let's get started. At number 5. Bieleflor Touch Lamp. The battery-operated 360 touch control portable lamp with 5-level dimmable warm white light and 13 color-changing RGB offered by the Bieleflor. This antique-styled item is made of wood, ABS, aluminum alloy and is designed with a white light mode that features 3 brightness levels and a multicolor setting, which includes over 256 combinations that are great for special events. Its remote control 13 colorful display has an auto cycle and extensive selection of colors from the red, green, blue color spectrum, or pick and pause on your favorite. Just one touch control panel on the top and change the colors you want. The bedside lamps has a quick USB charging port, USB cord included and also a retractable hanging strap. The Bieleflor Touch Lamp offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, 18-month warranty, and lifetime technical support. At number 4. HUGOAI Table Lamp. The professional optical structured HUGOAI LED table lamp HGO1 provides dimmable whites and up to 16 million colors with 4 color cycling modes. This light delivers flicker-free illumination and long service time including memory function. The LED nightstand lamp comes with adjustable brightness by sliding the rotary panel. The color temperature can be adjusted among 2000 K to 3000 K to 4000 K. It offers versatile functions with different modes: quiet mode, romance mode, and party mode. It consumes only 6 watts to illuminate 450 lumens with up to 30,000 hours of service time. This lamp holds a convenient USB Type-C port and a timmer button to set the night light mode for 30 minutes, and its memory function reminds your setting next time you switch on. The HGO1 ensures 30 days return or replacement, 12-month quality warranty and lifetime technical support. At number 3. AUKEY Table Lamp. The compact and versatile touch-activated table lamp by AUKEY can illuminate your room with a mood-enhancing 256 RGB color spectrum just with one touch. This convenient touch control light is made of metal and equipped with a 360 degrees touch control panel to illuminate, adjust brightness, or cycle through stunningly vibrant colors. The LED light delivers dimmable warm white light, relaxing light or any bright color within the 256 RGB spectrum. This lamp comes with 3 brightness levels of warm white light, soft glow, ambient warmth, and bright light. Its colorful display comes with an auto cycle for choosing between several colors or pause on a favorite one. Its eye-protective and energy-saving LED bulbs to use only 6 watts of power to generate 450 lumens of light with a 35,000 service time. AUKEY Touch Sensor Table Lamp gives a 45-day money-back guarantee and a 24-month warranty card. At number 2. AUKEY Touch Sensitive. Lighten up your beautiful room just with a one-touch AUKEY touch-sensitive table lamp. Because this table lamp provides a wide range of colors in one device with a memory function. This simple but elegant LED light delivers dimmable warm white light, relaxing light or any bright color within the RGB spectrum. Its material is metal and equipped with a 360 degrees touch control base including 3 brightness levels: soft, moderate, and bright. The 8.38 in height lamp holds a colorful display with an auto cycle for choosing between several colors: red, green, blue, or pause on favorite one. Just with one touch on the top, turns on, off, but by the long press, you can adjust its brightness. Its energy-saving LED bulbs use only 6 watts of power to generate 300 lumens of light with a long lifetime. AUKEY touch-sensitive table lamp holds a 45-day money-back guarantee and a 24-month warranty card. At number 1. HUGOAI Wi-Fi Table Lamp. This coolest LED table lamp by HUGOAI is a perfect touch of a professional optical structure with a smart control system, Wi-Fi and Alexa and Google Home. This flicker-free LED nightstand lamp comes with dimmable whites and up to 16 million colors with adjustable brightness by sliding the rotary panel. Its color temperature can be adjusted among 2000 K to 3000 K to 4000 K. It offers versatile functions with different modes: quiet mode, romance mode, and party mode with up to 30,000 hours of service time. This lightweight and durable light can be connected with your Wi-Fi. With the help of iOS and Android apps, it can be controlled remotely from your phone or tablet. Furthermore, this item requires an Alexa device for voice control. It also includes a USB Type-C port and timer button. The RGBW lamp offers 30 days return or replacement, 12-month quality warranty and lifetime technical support.